What is it, guys? Done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio per slide in Canva. So first, you need to head over to your Canva's website, and then you need to log in with your account credentials. And after that, when you're logged in here, you will be redirected to the home page. From here, you need to click on video. And then if you have any of the pre-built video, which is downloaded in your PC storage, you can choose a video format and then upload that particular video. But if you don't have a particular video, you can choose any of these video templates which are inbuilt in Canva. So after choosing a new template, here on the left side, you will see the audio section. I'll just simply delete this track. Now to add audio, you have two options. To click on this add audio button and then add an audio. Then on the left side, you have the audio button. But if you can't find the audio button here, you can click on apps. And then here you will find the audio button. So after clicking on the audio button, here you have the free music audios. When you will type music free in the search bar, here you will find all the free music that Canva has inbuilt. You can choose any of these, click on them once. And after clicking on it once, here the audio of that particular video will be added in the timeline. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.